Now your bike is securely assembled, set up for the perfect riding position, and with the battery fully charged. It's time to get to know the controls of the handlebar, cockpit, and LCD display. Sitting comfortably on the saddle with the LCD display positioned at the correct angle for your viewing, locate the power mode M button underneath the pedal assist buttons on the left handlebar. Press and hold to switch on. Press and hold to switch off. With the LCD display switched on, familiarize yourself with the various functions. Press the up button to increase pedal assist to a desired level, from modes 1, lowest power, 2, eco, 3, standard, 4, power, 5, speed. Then press the down button to go back. There is also a 0 option, which turns pedal assist off completely. The up button also operates the lights. Press and hold to switch on and repeat to switch off. The LCD display will light up as well as the headlight symbol to indicate the lights are on. The power mode button is also used to toggle the trip odometer between rides and overall mileage. There is a USB charging port for your phone or other device to charge while you ride. Simply remove the rubber cover to plug the cable in, remembering to replace it so it stays dry. You can also control the power without pedal assist by simply pressing the thumb throttle located on the right handlebar. This small lever easily engages the rear hub motor effortlessly, moving you forward, whether from a standing still position or already in motion. Also, on the right-hand side of the cockpit are the gear levers, just as you would expect on a non-electric manual bike. To operate, press lever for lower gears and button for higher gears, 1 through 7. Please refer to the printed Quickstart guide and manual which accompany your Wildsyde e-bike for more information. Contact us using the links below.